Alright, so I picked up these flexible LEDs on Amazon. Just wanted to practice with them. Made a lamp. Didn't need a lamp, just for practice. These came out pretty nifty. So I'll have more projects with these soon. Alright, so start with the LEDs. And I got these 4 blocks I picked up on Temu for like $2 or $3. I was gonna go with the brass rod, but switch to wooden one in the end. And I got a switch and some 3-volt CR123A. Alright, let's get to work. Glue them up first. That was fun. And remove the clamps. A day later, that's always my favorite part. Yeah, we're ready to go. I decided to use CNC to clean up the box and cut out the insides. Quick job that one is. Everything's in the setup. Smooth. Yeah, the shavings look perfect. Alright, now cutting the other side. And there's the machine running. Coolant. Everything is doing just peachy. Very nice. And there's the final result. So that's the bottom of the box. Still gotta drill out the holes. But first, have to finish it up. Get the right cutter and go. Yep, came out pretty nice. Just finish the other sides and put in a chamfer. Came out pretty good. Pretty nice. Lots of sanding coming up. Well, drill the holes first. That's a hole for the switch. And fastener bit for the 3/4 inch big dowel. Nice to have sharp tools. All right. Yep. Gotta sand the dowel. Quick job of that. Now I'm gonna cut off a piece. That piece will be like the cover for the top. I love this upside down hand saw. Super thin cut. Very nice. Pretty smooth too. Takes a while though. Takes a while. Comes out perfect. Alright, drill out the hole. Get this long drill bit. The camera got in the way though, so I didn't film the rest of the hole. Put in the grooves for the LEDs. That's the plan there. Put the 4 LEDs in these little grooves. And now we're off to sanding. Didn't film the electronics, but there I'm putting in the battery holder, soldering everything. Putting in final touches with the magnets. And there we go. Cover is perfect. Nice. That's the bottom cover. Put in the feet. And there it is. On, off. Yeah, you can barely see it because tons of light in here. And Odie's oil. Put it on, wait an hour, rub it off. And there we go. Done. I think came out pretty good. If I put it outside, it'll sway in the wind. That was the idea. Now, what do you think of it? Any ideas for the flexible LEDs? Let me know.